The Berbice River is named after the Dutch colony with the same name. The river flows northward for about 370 miles through some heavy forest to the coastal plain. It enters the Atlantic Ocean at New Amsterdam. New Amsterdam was built by the Dutch in 1740. Then it was called Fort St. Andrews. The British, however, took over in about the 1830s. The ferry was the method of transport for decades, until 2008, when a bridge was built. The trip is about 25 minutes. They all reminisce the waves as evidence of the waters in the land of many waters. It was enough to accomplish all sorts of rests, including sleeping, especially the young ones, and also especially in the morning. But it didn't matter. Waiting is a norm. The passengers made do with whatever time they had and sorted to make themselves comfortable as they can. If you happened to be in a vehicle then, you had the comfort of driving in to the ferry. But you also had the stress of reaching to the ferry very early just to be able to get in on time.
You're just about crossing the Berbice River. Some of them already wanted to swim across, but we suggested that that's not such a good idea. Yes? That was not a good idea, right? To swim across that river right now. Maybe it wasn't raining, right?
Some went up very high, others went below where the cars and the trucks will transport, and just pass the time in whatever method they can find.
Trying to swim over the Berbice River. The big driver. The famous driver. The famous driver. Save the rain. Junior and senior. 7:32 on August 10th.
This is in Rossignol. These are some fishermen repairing their nets at the side of the river, on the bank. At the Rossignol station, I'm standing right now. We're going to cross the river to New Amsterdam.